of the 19th. Slap towards mid-off, who's in the circle. Gulshan Ja hits the stumps. It might cost them a run. 2 to the total. Just wait on the umpire here. He's not going upstairs. Oh, maybe he's having a rethink.
Slide his bat in. Yeah, he's in. Comfortably in. Weird technique getting into the crease, but it doesn't matter how you get there, as long as you're in at this stage of the game. There you go.
These two get Raj Banshee to the crease. Pump down the ground, right out of the screws, all the way. I think he's been brilliant with the ball and points, but his most decisive contribution in this tournament may be that maximum.
Wow, what a shot this is against a bowler who's bowled really, really well this tournament and today, but he got it in the slot, didn't get it right up there, the Yorker, and he got great contact and he cleared the ropes. Oh, what a time to deliver. 6 from 10 now.
Long off goes back. It'll just be a single. Dev Canal in place down at long on. Do the Yaks need now to have a gamble to bring people into the circle? Protection out there, should just be a single. Pressure, he wants a second mix-up. Throw goes to the right end. Will go upstairs, but surely this is number 8. Why, oh why did they look for the second? They didn't need it. I'll tell. Couldn't agree more with you, Darren. Got
Not out, not out.
Panic stations.
No out.
There's a big red button sitting inside the heads of some players, and they keep
No
hammering it. They keep pressing the panic. The bail is up there, surely. O-U-T, he's gone.
Of course he's gone. And a place in the final.
Looks for the block hole. 2 is the immediate shout. Surely not another run out. It's going to be a chance. But he's safely home. The throw went to the right end. The bolts now just 2 runs away.
Yeah, you're going to be disappointed there. Letting them get 2.
जीत गया.
Decent delivery. Squeezed it out to backward point on the boundary. Yeah, you can't let them get 2 there, the bolts. It's now just 2 from 7 deliveries.
Well, surely you've got to bring fielders up into the circle here. You cannot allow Shermala to get a single.
ले ले जनकपुर जीत गए.
And you need to bowl to number 10. You need to take it to the final over. Now Cammy's bringing men in. Basisto at extra
एक
cover.
पर टाई,
And
2 पर
Cammy
जीत.
himself at mid-wicket
जनकपुर बोर्ड.
squeeze.
Brave ball for me. Brave ball for me is the bouncer. It's the bouncer. Make him cross back shot it, hook shot. You got a man out there on the boundary. Give him a bouncer.
Looks for the short ball.
Super over.
The scores are tied. No, they're not. What?
बस जनकपुर ने जीत चुका है.
It sums the game up. It's a calamity of errors from the Yaks and the JANAKPUR bolts. Thanks to Shermala's heroics at the death, are joining the Super Royals in the grand final come Saturday. It's the El Clasico again.
What a nervous game all around. The Yaks versus the Bolts has produced a long.
जीत गया. जनकपुर बोर्ड जीत गया.
The Bolts get over the line. Relief from Asif Sheikh, the captain. Absolutely glorious, glorious ending. Jimmy Neesham was outstanding. He turned the game with that 45 from 17. But he went to the wire. And the Bolts held their nerve just